Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, welcome back to this playlist. My name is Study Master Guide and I'm going to be your coding master guide for this whole playlist. We'll be starting off with HTML and we'll be doing some HTML basics, learning about HTML in general. This is lesson 1 and let's get started. We'll be starting off with the introduction part of HTML and we'll also learn about which coding environment we'll be using. So let's not waste any more time and let's just dive in. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language is the full extended version of the acronym HTML. We use HTML for website creation or website development. So when you're creating a website, there are 3 main languages that you'll use. First of all, you have HTML, you also have CSS, and then you have JS, which stands for JavaScript. In this series or in this playlist, we'll be learning about HTML. HTML is used for the structure of the website, and we'll understand what this means once we get to the code. To code in HTML, we use tags. For example, this is a paragraph tag. The P, the less than sign, inside we have a P, and then the greater than sign, that is the opening tag, and then we have the text that will appear inside the paragraph. This is a paragraph, and then we have the closing tag, the less than sign, the stroke, and then another P and a greater than sign. So this is how we'll be using tags, and we'll be learning more tags in this lesson in a few. We're now going to be moving to our coding environment, and we'll be using Replit, which is an online coding environment. And search for replit.com. Alright, so I already have an account here, but if you don't, just go ahead and sign up. It's easy to sign up if you just say sign up with Google. So use your Google account to sign up to Replit, and then once you've signed up, confirmed your account, they're going to be sending you an email in your inbox. So ensure you confirm your account, and then now you can come back here and we can get started. So this is how Replit looks like. We have this left section here. We have this thing called Create REPL. This is what we'll be using to create our projects. And then just a few other things. If you scroll down, you can see your current projects that you have done and many other things. So we'll just go straight. You can either use this one here, Create REPL, or if you scroll down, you'll see another one here, Create REPL. So you can click either of the two, and you'll see here we have a lot of templates. We have the HTML, CSS, JavaScript template, Python, and many other languages. We'll be using HTML for this series, so I'll choose HTML, CSS, and JS. And then for the title, I can just give it intro. And then again, I'm going to click on Create REPL. Okay, so it's going to create your environment where you're going to be working at, and it's going to be giving you some starter code here, right? Yes. So the first thing we'll do, we'll just start by deleting or erasing all the starter code so that we can code it ourselves. So let's discuss this interface. Here we have 3 sections, right? So we have this web view section where you'll be seeing your output. We have this open file section where you'll be seeing the file that you've opened, and this is also where you code. And then we also have now this files section. You can see all the files that you have. If you want to go back to the home page, you just click this icon here, Replit icon, and if you want to check the number of REPLs that you have, you can click this arrow here next to the Replit icon. If you want to be uploading a file, you'll come here. So let's see. You come here and you'll see upload file, upload folder, and many other things. If you want to create a new file, you just click here, new file. If it's a new folder, you click here, new folder. Okay, so we're going to be getting started. We have 3 files here, the HTML, CSS file, and also the JavaScript file. For this first part, or in short, for this playlist or this series, we'll be mainly dealing with the index.html. So the first thing, the first tag you want to write in your code, in your HTML page, right, in your HTML file, is the type of document. So you'll start with a less than sign, exclamation, capital, and you type doc type. Okay, leave some space, small letters, HTML, like this. What does this tag do? This is a doc type tag. It tells the computer or the browser which will be running your code that the type of file or the type of document is a HTML document. Next up, after this, we'll go to the next tag, which is the HTML tag. And notice that we have the opening tag and the closing tag. So everything that we'll be putting on this web page will go inside these 2 tags, right? HTML, HTML. So everything else goes inside these 2 tags. The first thing we need to write is the head. Okay, and also the head has an opening tag and a closing tag. So in the head, the opening tag, you're going to have a title, and we can just say HTML. So we'll see where this title appears. For now, let's continue. Inside the head, we'll just put a title for now. Then outside the head, but still inside the HTML, we're going to be putting the body. Then inside the body, we can write every other thing. Hello, this is our first web page. Okay, then let me run it and see how it looks, then we explain further. Alright, so hello, this is our first web page. If you want to see it in a much broader view, there's this new tab section here. You can click it and it will open it up for you in a bigger screen. And we see this is all that we have on our web page. Currently it's empty, right? So we only have this text. And you'll notice up here I have this title, HTML. So let's explain that. A title tag goes inside the head. The title is what appears at the top here, like HTML. It doesn't appear on the page, rather it appears at the top here. For example, even this one, intro, Replit, this is a title. HTML, this is a title. Whatever you want to appear on a page, like this, hello, this is our first web page, you put it inside the body. Doc type, HTML, right? Then we have the HTML tags. Everything is going to go inside this opening and closing HTML tags. Note that the opening tags don't have a stroke, right? But the closing tags have the stroke. After this, we have the head tag and we also have the body tag. And both of these are inside the HTML tag. All right. So I hope that's great. Your assignment for this class is to master this simple HTML structure, from the doc type to the HTML to the head, title, inside, body. So master it, try writing it without looking, check if you're correct. All right, so see you again in the next lesson, and we'll be learning more about HTML. Remember what HTML stands for. Remember what is the use of HTML, right? See you again.